Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMums.
Winter safety when you're pregnant. Hi, mommies. Women should always take care of themselves, and it's even more important when you're pregnant. The winter season brings a new set of safety concerns for pregnant women, such as dehydration, falls, and air breathing. Hydration during pregnancy. We already know women need more water than average when you're pregnant. It is easy to remember to drink plenty of water in summers when you're feeling thirsty. But in winters, you need to make an effort to get enough fluid in your body. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you how to stay hydrated. Number 1, drink 8 to 12 glasses of water, that is 2 to 3 liters of fluid in a day. 2, avoid caffeine. 3, increase fruits and vegetables intake. 4, drink enough water so that your urine is clear. 2, winter falls. Winters in North India brings with it snow and ice, and it's very chilly. Pregnancy changes your center of gravity, balance and weight distribution, and the chances of fall increases in pregnancy. So you have to make sure that you are safe and you don't fall. And just in case if you happen to fall, just make sure that the baby is kicking, and that is a good enough reassurance that the baby is fine. Tips to avoid falling. 1, invest in good stable pair of footwear. 2, avoid heels and boots without traction. 3, work from home or avoid travel on foggy days and very chilly days. If you suffer from a fall, visit your doctor immediately. In your second trimester, if you fall and hit your belly and don't feel the baby move, you must see your doctor. In the third trimester, after a fall, if you don't feel your baby movements or you notice there is amniotic fluid leak or a vaginal bleed or pain anywhere, you must see your doctor. Then, cold and flu season. Winters is a cold and flu season. When you're pregnant, your immune system is already suppressed and you're more susceptible to flu and cold viruses. It can also take longer to recover from a cold if you're sick. Tips to stay healthy. 1, get a flu shot. It is recommended that pregnant women take a flu shot in the second or the third trimester. 2, rest, hydration, nutrition and vitamins. Self-care is very important, especially at this time of the year. Get plenty of rest, be hydrated, take your prenatal vitamins and eat a well-balanced nutritional diet. 3, wash your hands. Good hand washing is one of the best ways to avoid infections and virals. The use of hand sanitizer is also helpful, especially if you have children at home. 4, avoid people who are sick. It's okay to avoid social gatherings when others may be ill, and it is also okay to say no to people who are sick if they are visiting you. So avoid yourself from exposure. Now, one of the most important things, we are breathing all the time, so the air quality also really matters. The air quality in many cities can be very dangerous. Breathing this air can have the same effects we worry about with someone who smokes cigarettes. When the air is listed as having a particulate matter of less than 2.5 microns, it means the particulate in the air can be absorbed in the lungs and it can enter the bloodstream. Studies have shown that breathing this air can have dangerous side effects on the unborn baby. You can have a preterm baby, a mental and physical development problems, autism, and even fetal death. Tips to breathe easy. 1, pay attention to your local news. Each station provides an air quality report on a daily basis, and you can get this even on your mobile app. 2, stay indoors when air quality is bad, especially if you're exercising. 3, masks. A regular surgical mask is very, very important, and you must use an N95 mask because that is more protective. So if you have any concerns about your health during this time, don't hesitate to consult your doctor. Thank you and namaste.